you for following me on Twitch. Do I eat healthy? That was a healthy snack. We try. To be honest, we try. I think as anybody tries. We've had a very bad run these past couple of weeks of getting takeout and like ordering food, but we try. Last night's dinner was pretty healthy, you know. Milanesas and Brussels sprouts with mashed potato. I don't know what we're having for today. I don't think anything's out. That's a great reminder, actually. Hey, babe. What kind of case is this? This is an iPad Pro. 11-inch, I think? What's my go-to takeout order? Oof. Some Hello Kitty. Chili's. Chipotle Crispers. Chipotle Chicken Crispers from Chili's. That's the go-to. That's the, like, that's my order. Or banh mi from a local pho place. Or pizza. Yeah. There's Madoka Magica again. I'm gonna switch her place with Miku. Let's see. Solid choices. Thank you. And that Chipotle Crispers from Chili's with the ranch sauce. Oof. Baby. That's good stuff. And the fries with the ranch. It's not ranch. Honestly, what is that? What is that? Because it's not ranch. At Chili's, that's not ranch. It's just cream. Do I spray anything on them? Nope. I don't do anything to the cases after this. How much are they? So, all of the phone cases start at $50. The price goes up if you want a pop socket or an extra protective case, like an OtterBox case. These size cases, you have to check my shop. This is a iPad/tablet. A knife. Where's the other knife? Isn't there another knife? No, just one knife. Okay. Just one knife. You love it? All the different pinks. You want to order an iPad case next? So many ideas, though. Yeah. Do I have the color sage green? Yep. I used it on a case today. Came out really pretty. I can do any phone case. Yes, any phone case. The one that I get most asked about, if I can do it or not, is the Samsung Z Flip 3 or Z Flip series. Yes, I can do this. I promise. I've done plenty of Z Flip and Fold cases. 'Tis possible. Rule of thumb is, if your phone has phone cases made for it, no matter how ugly those phone cases are, or if they're just available in clear, then I can do it. I can even do those those weird phones, the what's the one? That brand that it's like for kids. Like it doesn't have internet access. Those type of phones, I can do those too. I can do anything that has cases. The OnePlus, the Oppo, the Huawei, Cricket Wireless, anything, baby. happens if I mess up? I fix it. Fix it.